here, Volkswagen Crafter. Just come up with this battery, alternator, visit workshop, engine light to come on, and we've also lost power steering. So we're going to have a look at this. I suspect it's going to be the drive belt. Here we are underneath. Just cleaned off all of the old pieces of rubber, chucked them away. And we've got the replacement built here. I'm gonna just slide this around these pulleys and get it fitted. So we've flipped the belt around, bottom pulley here, and then the crank one is going underneath the tensioner there, and then up the top it's going above the alternator and around the aircon. This one's got aircon, and we've got the 16mm ratchet here on the tensioner that we can move it up and down. So that's all done. And then we've got a secondary belt for the viscous fan, which is here. We're just going to slip that over as far as possible. So we've got that slipped as far as we can there, and it's on the top pulley. You can manually wind the crank pulley with a bolt. It's a bit difficult to get into on this because of this plastic here. So we're just going to give the engine a start, and hopefully that will just spin round and slide on its own. Let's go and have a look. All okay. Now we can get the airbox back on. Now it's all fitted, and we're good to go.